If you have a lot of girls, we will call you here chick boy. My father is handsome. Oh, that's why he has so many girls. And how about you, music section? Are you a boy or a girl? All Filipino is chick boy. Not all of the Filipino. Some of Filipinos, but not at all. Do you have ano? Do you have Facebook? Do you have? I'm Charin. Can I search it in Facebook? Do you have Facebook account? So how's your account in YouTube? I don't have Facebook here. I use WhatsApp also. What's your WhatsApp? Can I search you in WhatsApp also? What's your WhatsApp name? Sharain. Oh, Sharain. Okay, I'll try to search you. I will try to search you in your WhatsApp name. I have also WhatsApp. We have Nissan Prado here. Yes, I have WhatsApp. But I don't remember my WhatsApp name. Why do you use WhatsApp? I don't use WhatsApp in my in my YouTube. The purpose of it just to link it from YouTube or Facebook. I cannot search your WhatsApp name. How can I search yours if only name lang? WhatsApp business do you have? I think, yeah, maybe for business. I try to search I'll try to search your WhatsApp account. Maybe we can chat there. You search my number. You can see. I cannot search your number, but it said it's a German phone number. German phone number. Phone, it said German phone number. It's a German phone number.